Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your Bet365 account is verified or not on your mobile device. So in this video I'm using an iPhone, but it's the exact same on an Android. So guys, if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. I'm on my iPhone right here. I'm on the Bet365 app. In the top right hand corner, there's an avatar icon. Click in there and then go down to My Account in the middle right hand section. Click in there. And then what you can do is go down to verification tab, the second from the bottom. And then up at the top, the text says verification of your account. And then below it says your account is verified. So that's confirmation right there of whether your account on Bet365 has been verified or not. From there as well, click out of here and you can go back to the avatar icon and then go to messages. And you will receive a message from Bet365 as soon as your account has been verified, or if they make the decision to actually not verify your account as well. So the message right here, it says, "Hi Andrew, thank you for your documentation. We are pleased to inform you that your account is successfully verified in accordance with our verification process." From there as well, guys, you might want to check your email inbox because Bet365 will send you the exact same message via email if your account has been successfully verified, or if your account has not been verified, they will send you an email just like this as well, where it says, "Hi Andrew, thank you for your documentation. We are pleased to inform you that your account is successfully verified in accordance with our verification process." So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.